In this BricsCAD tips video, I will be showing you how to assign a custom command alias. What is a command alias, you might ask? A command alias is a single or a series of keys that you can enter on the command line to quickly execute a command. The reason you may want to do this is to have your most often used commands on a single keystroke to improve productivity. To assign a command alias, open the Customize menu by entering Customize on the command line. In the Command Alias tab, you will see on the left-hand side a list of command aliases already assigned. On the right-hand side is a list of BricsCAD commands which you can assign an alias to. To assign an alias to one of the commands, select that command in the list and click the Add button. Type the key combination you wish to use to call the command in the alias text box and click OK. Click OK again to accept the changes and close the Customize menu. You are now free to use your new key alias in your everyday workflow.